Aloha, social media lights. Mr. Nooks and Candies here. We are at US 27 at Webb's Candy Factory, and we're going to walk around. It used to be a much larger complex. They had what seemed to be a hotel. Used to have live goats here, but now it's just a candy factory. But it's steeped in history. Like I said, started in the early 30s, and coming up on Easter, so we might as well get a candy on. So come inside and let's see what we can see. Roadside attraction type merchandise. Got your gator backpacks, your horse purses, and all kinds of bucket hats. All the rage right now. You gotta get your bucket hat on. Check these out. Man, an army of folk art made with different metal pieces, bike pieces. Oh, the Mandalorian. Batman. Wow, these are really cool. Wow. I do love folk art. Got a seahorse made with a bike chain. Oh. Some Wall-E inspired art. Oh, that's got to be a predator. That's the predator right there. That's right. You're gonna bite your face off. I said, oh, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Creativity knows no bounds. These are very cool. Now the predator for it looks like he's 155. I like this Godzilla looking fella. Oh, there's Iron Man. Wow. Very nice. Says, please do not touch. So we're not going to see the price of everything. We'll give you an idea. This military man looks to be $95.75. So it would be an investment in some art if you were to purchase one of these. Oh, there's that guy. Very cool. Oh, the lighthouse made out of bicycle chains. Very cool. Yeah. Mandalorian style. Very cool. Right here on US 27, Webb's Fudge. And of course, it is not a Florida roadside attraction store. You can't get assorted candies, but more importantly, yeah, that's right, Mr. Gator. Mr. Gator is everywhere around these parts. You can buy gator heads at any respectable Florida roadside attraction. Doesn't look like this one's working on his golf game. Looks like he got the better end of a long day. I don't know what that means. That's backside of a gator's head. Not the backside of water, but the backside of a gator's head. Very nice. Yeah. And of course, just regular old gifts as well for all your needs, whether it be birthdays, anniversaries, Mother's Day. But I always like me some Florida postcards. Hey, how you doing? Oh, no, I was talking to you. That's right. Florida. Spook Hill. We're going to have to cover that one day. That's just right down the road in Lake Wales. Let's get your key lime pie. Magnets and such. Your freshwater fish playing cards. And there's that. Let's see here. A bad damn vacation is better than a good day of work. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? What's that guy doing? Oh, that's a baby. Oh, tastes like chicken. Baskets, all the baskets. You can personalize your holiday basket. Of course, Easter is coming up. And this will be a good place to fill up your Easter basket because it is a candy shop. Plenty of candy. Now, if you've ever wondered where you can get a duck standing toilet paper holder, whoop, right there it is. Right there it is. Oh, they got a salt and pepper shaker. Bass salt and pepper shaker. There's a bass paper towel holder. You get your barbecue real fishing pole lighter. Get your spark on. Seems like that duck, you got a problem with the drink. It's never too late to ask for help, Mr. Duck. Yeah, any kind of salt and pepper shaker you need, want or desire, they've got here at Webb's. Cowboy boots, antlers, red horse, yeah, bucktooth horse. Hey, my name's Charlie. And we got bears. Oh, of course, more gators. Wouldn't be Florida without gators. Let's see there. Hello there, Mr. Gator. Oh, this gator done been hung up. Oh, he must have been wildly veteran of these parts here. Got a couple toes along the way. Can get TP holders made of bears and dogs. And there's Charlie again. Oh, yep, my name's Charlie. Oh, that poor dog, he got a drinking problem too. And you can even get your Florida Gator back scratcher made from a real gator claw. And have these guys watch the way you do it. Oh, Lord. Man, oh, man. That is a lot of gator heads going on. Let's see, how much does a gator head cost? Original gator head. It is $16.95. Have you ever seen such a thing? And again, they have quite the history here. Webb has been here for a number of years, I believe in the late 30s, maybe early 40s. And here's a little display of the history of the place. It's where they would make the candy. Now this, you can still peek in and watch in the kitchen where they make the candy. It doesn't look like there's anything under development right now. But if you catch them at the right time, you can come right here and see how the sausage gets made. There's some old relics from the history of Webb, some Webb family members. This is obviously a family establishment. And that's quite the history here in Davenport, Florida. Quite the history indeed. Oh, there it is. Webb Citrus Packing and Candy Factory, formerly C.S. Taylor Company, established in 1932. The original citrus candy factory. Yes, that's the original one. Doesn't look like the current location. No, that was the Tropical Sweets, C.S. Taylor Company. And they moved out here to US 27. And for whatever reason, they used to have live goats here on property, but people would steal the goats. So there's no longer live goats here at the Goat Fudge Candy Company. 1932. Okay, so this used to be quite the complex. So used to have a larger store, larger candy, and looks like maybe even a hotel as well here. That is all gone. This looks to be the only remaining building. Half of it is Dunkin' Donuts and the other half is Webb's. Yeah, quite the history. Of course, the name of the game here at Webb's, Candies, is candy and fudge. So we got a number of citrus candies. There you go. And chocolate gators. Candy cream batter. And an antique cream batter machine. All the peanut brittle. It's funny how these grandpa candies, when you're a kid, you're like, oh, this is all that. But then you get older and then you understand why they're called parent candies because you just grow a taste for them. And here we go, more chocolate alligators, regular candies, orange gator. And here we go. This is what the namesake out front says: goat milk fudge. Got all kinds: chocolate, vanilla, chocolate peanut butter, vanilla peanut butter, chocolate walnut, vanilla pecan, chocolate pecan, maple walnut, rock and roll, double chocolate, chocolate salted caramel, and maple. And again, Easter is coming up, so this will be a great place to come and fill up your Easter basket. That's right here at Webb's Candies. And of course, they got plenty of sugar-free options for people who either don't want a whole lot of sugar or have the diabetes. A number of more chocolate alligators. Here's the main cases. Chocolate dip marshmallows on a stick. All kinds of goodies. Coconut snowballs. Chocolate dipped orange peels. Yummy. Chocolate dipped potato chips. I need that in my life. Again, Easter coming up. Be a great place to fill up your Easter basket. Get a little bunny rabbit. Hippity hoppity. Easter's on its way. And this looks to be the register. The theme to an old country store. And of course they got milk ice cream as well too. Standard flavors. Raspberry. Rock and roll. Chocolate peanut brittle. That looks good. Pina colada. Chocolate. Banana. Here's your prices. Get yourself a single, double, quart, and milkshake. Making them all. Keep going on. That's where all the magic happens right here. Hello there. Mr. Nooks and Grannies here. How you doing? All right, I've just been informed that the ice cream is not made of goat's milk. So I wanted to clear that up for anyone stopping by. So it's still dairy-based ice cream, but still plenty of wonderful selections here. The fudge is primarily the only thing made with goat's milk. Everything else the traditional way. So there's that. Webb's. So I am getting some chocolate-covered potato chips and orange peels here at Webb's. Two things I have never tried in my life, but sound like something you can't pass up. And there it is. All right, so we got, again, 2 chocolate-covered potato chips and 2 chocolate-covered orange peels. So we're going to dig in here and see what we got. You help me out with that? The beautiful and talented Amy Castro. Oh. All right. Oh, we just dug right on in. So I'm going to try this potato chip first. Let's see what's good. Here it is. Chocolate's good. Not a whole lot of potato chip. But it's tasty. It's a nice mixture. It gives the potato chip, obviously gives it a crunch. It's good. I dig it. So, now it's milk chocolate. Let's try the dark chocolate orange peel. So trying to get that potato chip down. There we go. Orange peel. No, those are really good. Orange and chocolate does it for me. I remember getting a chocolate orange for Christmas one year. And none of my friends loved it or liked it at all, but I ate the whole damn thing. So yeah, there you go. Let us try the rest there. All right, let's see what the lovely and talented Amy had to say about the orange peel chocolate. Say hello, Amy.
Hello, Amy.
And what did you think about the chocolate orange peel?
The orange isn't my favorite, but the chocolate covered potato chip was 2 thumbs up.
There you go, 2 thumbs up. Right here, Webb's. Come and get you some. Okay, here's all the Florida wines. They have wide assortment of various fruit wines. You got banana wine, cranberry key wine, juicy melon wine, tangier wine, blueberry wine, Florida Fever made from passion fruit, white gold made from peaches, cherry red made from cherries. Cocoa Beach has orange chocolate wine, got guava wine, Florida Sunset pineapple wine, ooh la la, orange blossom honey wine. Yeah, a wine section here at Webb's. Chocolate and goat milk's fudge. Nice display there. There probably was a fountain at some point. They do not ship wine. No, you got to come get it. Strawberry wine. That's right. Coco Polata. And if you buy 5 bottles, you receive a 10% discount. So come get your drink on. All right, Social Media Alliance, that's going to do it for today's adventure. Thanks for joining us here at Webb's Goat Milk Fudge and Candies, right here on US 27 in beautiful Davenport, Florida. Pop on in and get yourself some candy just in time for Easter. Fill up your Easter basket. Yeah, just explore. You know, like I said, these places that you drive by all the time, you never know what's inside. And they've been there for a number of years for a reason, and you need to figure out that reason for yourself. Well, once again, Mr. Candies here saying, call off the Marines. We're coming home.